been wanting to add to your crafting toolbox but haven't yet because everything is so expensive, you're going to want to listen up. If you've been around here for a while, you know that I am a huge fan of Creative Fabrica. I love it just as much as I love everything Silhouette. In fact, I rarely go anywhere else to get any of my designs. And right now, the yearly all access subscription is only $47. But for the month of October, Creative Fabrica has added a ton more to this deal. So not only are you going to get access to their over 18 million fonts and graphics, you're going to get access to their studio, which is going to help you create stunning AI images and remove backgrounds and so much more. But also, they are throwing in an exclusive design bundle full of fonts, graphics, and 3D SVGs from famous designers like Julia Dreams and The Dreaming Tree. That right there should be enough to make you say, I'm in. But they have also teamed up with popular online craft stores like Pro World, Heat Transfer Warehouse, Barely Art, and Maker Flow Crafts to make sure that you are getting awesome discount vouchers on all of the other crafty things you might need. Now, if you already have a yearly subscription to Creative Fabrica, don't worry, you can still get in on this deal. You're just going to renew your subscription. That's going to move your expiration date out an entire year, and you will get all of these awesome freebies as well. Remember, this deal only runs through the month of October, so if you are interested, you have to run over there and grab this before it's over. Now, if you're still on the fence about getting the yearly subscription, you can run over to the website and check out their freebies. I'll link today's in the description. Today's freebie is an entire bundle. You can download it for free. You get the personal license, you get the commercial license, and also the POD license included. And if you share this freebie from their page onto your social media, you will be entered into a drawing to win a Cricut Explore Air 2 bundle. Now, there are different daily giveaways. There's a free bundle each and every day. So you're going to want to check back to take advantage of this. You're also going to want to share daily because not only are they giving away a Cricut bundle today, they're also giving away Silhouette machines. They're giving away heat presses, mug presses, and so much more. You're not going to want to miss out on this. Now, I have done a couple of videos for Creative Fabrica for this month's promo. I made this wonderfully soft sublimation blanket. The texture on this is amazing. The whole thing turned out great. I used the blanket and sublimation paper from Heat Transfer Warehouse. I was also able to create this amazing glass can with the UV DTF transfers. These came from Pro World, and I absolutely love the way they turned out. I had never used the UV DTF stickers before, but I will be using them again in the future. Super simple, and they look amazing. The tutorials for these projects will be up on the Creative Fabrica YouTube channel, so you're going to want to make sure to head over there and subscribe to their YouTube channel as well. I will be posting links to some of the daily giveaways on my Facebook page. Make sure to follow. And if you create anything with any of these assets, please be sure to tag Silhouette Success, Creative Fabrica, and any of the online stores that you've purchased from. We'd love to see what you've created. Now, jump on over to Creative Fabrica using the link in the description. Sign up for this awesome deal, and then go create something amazing. I'll see you in the next video.